So good evening, sir.
Yeah, very, very good evening.
Yeah.
So, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking. And how have you been? After a long time, we are meeting each other.
Yeah, I have been fantastic.
Yeah. And how is your practice going on?
Yeah, my practice is going well.
Okay. Do you practice every single day?
Yeah, every single day I practice at least 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Hmm.
Yeah. And you are also practicing every single day, 30 minutes. And are you improving your English skill day by day?
Yeah, I am improving day by day and I am getting confidence.
Yes, yeah, you're right. Yeah, if you practice every single day, definitely you will have a lot of confidence. Yeah, and sir,
Right.
I know very well about yourself because I made this kind of video so many times. So before starting our conversation, we should introduce ourselves. So please tell me about yourself.
Okay, my name is Vinod Hasda. I am from West Bengal and I am a thumbnail designer.
Yeah. You're from West Bengal. I am from West Bengal. But in which district do you belong?
I belong to Paschim Bardhaman district.
Paschim Bandhavan. Yes.
Right.
Yeah. And sir, right now also you are working person as well as also you are learning this language.
Yeah, I am learning this language.
Yeah. And sir, do you practice English grammar?
Yeah, I practice.
And what do you think? How much English grammar is important only for speaking English?
Yeah, it is very, very important. If you don't learn English grammar, you will not be able to form the sentences.
Yes. Yeah, I asked this type of question to so many people. A few of the learners told me, yeah, bro, the English grammar is not important. Just keep practicing and keep speaking. Yeah, English grammar will come automatically. But in my point of view, basic English grammar is important. Yeah, if you don't have any knowledge about the basic English grammar, yeah, how can I communicate with another person? Basic English grammar is important in my point of view.
Right.
Yes. And sir, behind you there is a picture, and maybe you belong to village area, yeah.
Yeah, I am from village.
And right now also you are speaking English. You have been speaking English for a long time. And nowadays, do you have any friend who is speaking English in your locality?
No. In locality, there is no one who can speak English.
That's why also you are using this application.
Yeah, I am using Microsoft Teams and WhatsApp.
Yeah. And have you ever joined any coaching center? Have you ever joined any institute for learning this language?
Yeah, earlier I joined a coaching center, and from there I learned so many things, how to form sentences. I learned there.
Yes. And what do you think about the English speaking journey for learning this language? I have to go any coaching center.
Yeah, so if you don't know anything, then definitely you must go. And if you know something, then you don't have to go. You can learn through YouTube.
Yes. Yeah, nowadays social media is available. Yeah, and maybe nowadays if you have a smartphone, using your smartphone you can learn this language. Yeah, and
Yeah.
as and sir, right now also you are learning this language for a long time. Maybe you have a knowledge of English speaking. And what do you think? What is the most important part for learning this language?
Yeah, there are so many parts like reading, listening, speaking, practicing. So this kind of thing matters a lot.
Yeah. And do you practice thinking?
Thinking, no, I don't. I don't.
Yes. And nowadays, do you practice? Do you practice reading?
Yeah, I read. I read each and every single day.
Yes. One and what do you think? How much reading is important?
Yeah, it is very, very important.
And what is
So if you read, yeah, go ahead.
what is the benefit of reading books?
Yeah, if you read books, then you will come to know so many things, and you will come to know unknown words. So it will improve your vocabulary, reading skill. So Yeah, it is very, very important.
Yes, yes. Yeah, reading is also important. By reading you can learn so many new vocabulary, and you can learn so many structure. If you read very carefully, yeah, you can learn so many new structure and new vocabulary which are very important for learning this language. And
Yeah.
I belong village area, yeah. I don't have a lot of vocabulary in my brain, yeah. While speaking English I get stuck, lack of vocabulary. And if I
Right.
read English newspaper every single day, if I read English story book, I can improve my vocabulary skill. But I don't like reading. Yeah, it is boring to me, and I don't get free time. That's why I had to face a lot of problem for improving my vocabulary skill. But when I watch when I watch the YouTube video in English, at that time I watch the video with subtitle, and at that time read. Yeah, at that time I read.
Yeah. So yeah, and I read the Hindu newspaper
Oh yeah.
every single day, at least, at least 1 hour.
Okay. Yeah, it is good sign for you, because reading is also important. Yeah, if you read English newspaper, if you read English storybook, you will improve faster.
Yeah.
And do you practice writing?
No, writing I don't practice.
Yeah, yeah. But I try to write in English. Yeah. What I use WhatsApp. Whenever I write in English with my friends. I always write in English with my friends. Yeah. And in this way also right now I am practicing.
Yeah, it is very good.
Yeah. And sir, tell me about your English speaking journey. Who motivated you for speaking English, and why are you learning this language? What is the reason behind it?
Yeah, actually, I motivated myself.
Okay,
So yeah, I was interested in this language. I wanted to learn. So that's why I started learning.
okay. And right now also you are speaking English very well. And after speaking English, are you happy in your life?
Yeah, now I am very happy that now I am able to speak English. Even though I make a lot of mistakes, then also I am happy.
Yes.
And in future, I will improve a lot.
Yeah, definitely in future one day you will be a good English speaker. Yeah, making mistake is the way of learning this language. I know very well. Yeah, every single day when I talk to another person, I always when I make this kind of video with another person, yeah, during the conversation I make few mistakes, I know. And after when I watch that video, after recording the video, when I watch at that time, yeah, it was silly mistake, yeah, I have done. Yeah, I noticed that. But after that also I have to rectify. Yeah, I have to rectify. If you And one of the co-learner, he told me, bro, during the conversation what kind of mistake I am making I cannot find out. But it is not good. You have to, first of all, you have to find out, yeah, what kind of mistake you are doing. After that always you have to rectify. Yeah, sir, tell me, have you ever visited any another state in our country apart from West Bengal?
Only I visited Jharkhand.
Jharkhand. Jharkhand is near, in the border side. Yeah.
Right, right.
Yes.
It takes only 5 minutes to go
Oh,
from my home.
5 minutes.
Yeah.
Yes. Maybe you have visited only one time or many times at that place.
Yeah, I visited so many times.
Yeah, yeah. Just 5 minutes. Yeah, that's why. Yeah. And have you ever visited in Kolkata? Kolkata is the capital of our state.
Yeah. Yeah, I visited once.
One time.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So, what is your hobby? Do you like playing cricket or football?
Yeah, both. I like playing football and cricket both.
Oh yeah, I always like playing cricket and football. But nowadays I don't play cricket and football because I don't get free time. And yeah, every single day I get up early in the morning and I go for morning walk in the morning time. But nowadays I notice that in the ground there is no one. Yeah, and most of the young boys, they are not interested for playing football. They are interested playing game on the mobile phone in our locality. I noticed
Right,
that.
right. Yeah.
And now.
But playing game on smartphone like Free Fire or any other game is not good, but if you play football, cricket, or any other physical game, so that is better.
Yes, yes, yeah. And nowadays, do you play cricket or football?
Nowadays, I don't play that much, but I like very much.
Yeah, yeah. And do you like watching cricket?
Yeah, I like.
Yeah. And who is your favorite cricketer?
Yeah, my favorite now, my I can say Sanju Samson is my favorite.
Sanju Samsung.
Mm.
Yes, yes. And sir, how long have you been
And
learning this language?
yeah, I have been learning for a long time. It has been 2-3 years.
2 3 years. Yes. Yeah,
Mm.
I am also learning this language more than 2 years. Yeah, and sir, I know very well it will always take time. It is not a piece of cake. It is not a cup of tea. But because English is not my mother tongue, it is second language. But when I
Right.
watch any English content on the YouTube channel, at that time I found those kind of thumbnail. How will you learn this language just 15 days? How will you learn this language just 30 days? And what do you think, sir? Is it possible just 15 days and just 30 days you can learn this language very easily? Is there any shortcut process?
No, there is no shortcut. It takes long time.
Yes, yes. Yeah, and
Even you can't learn in 6 months as well.
yes, yes, definitely. It will always take time, but if you there is a good English environment, yeah, everyone speak English in our locality, everyone speak English at my house. At that place, it will take time 3 months, but just 15 days and just 30 days you can learn this language.
Right, right.
Yeah. So nowadays, what kind of method do you follow for improving your English skill?
Yeah, sorry. Go ahead.
Nowadays, nowadays, what kind of method do you follow for improving your English skill?
I do reading, writing. So except writing, I do everything. Each and everything, like learning vocabulary.
Okay. And nowadays I notice that who are learning this language for a long time, 1 year or 2 years, they are learning this language as well as also they are learning another accent. I mean British accent and American accent. Nowadays, do you watch those kind of video for learning?
No, I don't focus on accent. I like normal accent. The way I speak, it's fine for me.
Yes, yes. Yeah, Indian accent also good. I watch so many video, and Dr. Sumita Rai, she speaks very well. She speaks always our Indian accent. Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you moving here and there in your side?
Yeah, I am moving here and there. I am going.
Yeah. It's totally field area. Yeah.
Yeah, it is filled.
Yeah.
It is completely filled.
And potato has been harvested in your locality. Potato.
No, no. Now this season, we don't cultivate anything.
Oh yeah. Potato.
No, because there is no rain, no water facility. That's why we don't cultivate anything.
Oh. But when do you cultivate?
Only we cultivate in rainy season.
Oh yeah, paddy. At the time, paddy. You cultivate paddy.
Yeah. Right.
Actually, lack of water, you did not cultivate the potato and vegetables. Yeah.
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 So behind me you can say, so these are fields. So here we don't cultivate anything.
Yeah. But reason is there is no water. Yeah.
Yeah, there is no water.
Yes. Yes. Yeah, I have heard that. Yeah, in Bardhaman district, there are so many places. There is, there is no irrigation. That's why also in this area, yeah, in this area, the plant are not cultivated on that place.
Yeah. So yeah, even though I live in Paschim Bardhaman district,
Yeah.
so in our side there is no water, but in other side there is no problem.
Yeah, yeah. And in your locality, do you have a few lands? Do you have your few lands?
Yeah, we have lands and we cultivate
But nowadays, what kind of crops do you cultivate?
only one crops,
Oh, yeah, only paddy,
paddy.
paddy.
And at home we cultivate like tomato, brinjal,
Mm.
radish.
And maybe you cultivate paddy. Maybe you cultivate the paddy 2 or 3 times in a year.
No, only one time.
One time. Okay.
Yeah,
In the rainy season.
yeah, in rainy season.
Okay. Yes. Yeah. And beside you, I was watching few minutes ago. There is a few fans. Yeah. Of your.
Yeah.
Mhm.
They said they are
Yeah.
sitting.
Yeah. They know English language, and they try to speak with you.
No, they can't speak.
Yeah. And sir, I noticed that who are learning this language for a long time, they are also learning as well as also they are teaching few students. And nowadays, do you teach few students?
No, I am not teaching.
Yes. And you are also speaking English, and maybe in your locality you have a few friends and they know about your English speaking journey. Yeah, you are also speaking English very well. Right now also you are living in village area. And what kind of comments are you getting from your friend circle, from your relative circle?
If I talk about comments, so I have no idea what they are saying. But all people know that I speak English.
Yes. Yeah, I have been running my YouTube channel for a long time, and I am learning this language as well as I am running my YouTube channel. Yeah, that's why I have a few friends, I have a few relatives. They know about me. Yeah, I am learning this language. After watching my video, they told me, yeah, bro, keep learning, keep practicing. You are doing a good job. And few of my friends and who don't watch my video, but maybe he or she has watched my video 1 time or 2 times. They always ask me, yeah, how much money are you getting from the YouTube channel? Yeah, this type of comment I am getting.
Yeah, so even though we don't get money, but then also it is helpful.
Yes. Yeah, English is important. Yeah, English is necessary everywhere. Yeah. And that's why I noticed that in our locality most of the guardian and most of the parents, they are always sending their child in English medium school. But during my study in my locality, there was no English medium school. But nowadays there are so many English medium school.
Right.
Yeah.
So, and in West Bengal, the government school is means not good for high quality education.
Yeah, government should take action this kind of language. Yeah, English, yeah, in my point of view, the government should start English, about the English language. Yeah.
Right.
And nowadays I notice that in our in our locality there is a government school, but there is a less students. Yeah, most of the students, they are going to private school. And what is happening from your side?
Yeah, so same here. So, yeah. Students are going, but those all are poor students.
Yeah.
And those from those family who can afford in private school, they are going in private school, and those who are poor, they are going in government school.
Yes, you are right. Yeah, it is happening nowadays. All right, sir, it was a nice conversation with you. Thank you for giving your valuable time. Yeah, I have learned so many things by connecting with you. Yeah, next time definitely we will make another conversation video with you. All right, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So bye.